Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, this is the homepage of this app. From here you can add payment method or different types of cards. If you tap right here, you got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, your full activity, settings. In settings you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Next we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got your lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.